Anna here. We're going to be interviewing Dr. Lisa Stiegel.
About the health sciences major.
So enjoy. Yeah.
What are a few elective courses I would be taking for this major?
So in the health sciences major, we have 2 tracks. And the elective courses that you choose sort of depend on the track that you are going for. So we have the science of disease track, which is very much a biology-based, biology of disease track. And in that track, you would take things like microbiology, cell biology, principles of genetics, human heredity and disease, and so forth. You could choose electives from those. If you choose the behavioral and social science track, then there's electives associated with that. So there's some anthropology courses, psychology, sort of disorders of childhood. There's religion, death, and dying course that you can choose from. Cultural psych, culture, illness, and health, courses like that you can choose for that track. So it sort of depends on the track that you're going for.
Okay. What kind of research or internship possibilities are there for the health science major?
We're very fortunate to have partnered up with the Minnesota Department of Health. Since the health science major is very much a public health-based major, the Department of Health has a plethora of internships that you can apply for and choose from, and we can help you to do that, to connect with the right branch within the Department of Health. There's nonprofit organizations and community organizations as well that we can structure internships with. In addition, we have collaborative research opportunities, particularly through my lab. I do research in aging, which is a massive public health problem. And so there's collaborative research opportunities with me doing aging physiology and health research as well.
Okay, and then what makes this major different at Hamline than at other schools?
I really think it's different here because of the unique Hamline experience. You know, health sciences and public health is a very popular field, and there's lots of programs around that have these types of majors and classes. But Hamline, part of our mission is really about social justice, and public health and health science really is something that encompasses that mission and the mission's leadership and service and community. So I think just the Hamline values fit with the major so well that it really adds to the whole experience.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.
What main science courses are required for this major?
So there are a few prereqs that are science courses. You can choose from either a biology of human function or biology 1820, which is the principles of plant and animal physiology. So one of those, there is epidemiology is required. It is less of a lab-based type course than the previous course I just mentioned, but more of a data analysis and understanding the pathophysiology of disease course. So those are the 2 main science courses that are required. If you choose the science of disease track, then there are 4 courses that would come from that. That would be science courses, so you could choose genetics, biology of women, microbiology, immunology would be a fantastic choice, cell biology. So with that track, you would have the more biological science, hardcore sciences too.
Okay. What are possible job opportunities given to someone with a health sciences major?
Since the health science major is a public health major, the opportunities are pretty wide and varied. So one example would be working for, say, the County Department of Health or the State Department of Health, helping to design intervention programs for, let's say, mediating childhood obesity or adult onset diabetes. So a person might work in program planning, planning out a program to address these issues, implementation of it, actually going out into the community and working with community groups, assessing the effectiveness, looking at the stats on these things and seeing if the intervention is making a difference. There's also opportunities in various wellness type settings. So there's foundations and community organizations and even corporations that hire public health and health science folks to come in and do similar things. So design programs, help run programs that reach out into the community. So remember that public health is all about population and community, and so really the careers are in that focus of working with the community, working in the population to make their health better.
All right. I heard that Hamline is now providing anatomy and physiology as a course. Is that correct?
That is true. We are adding anatomy and physiology 1 and 2. They do not have to be taken in sequence, so you can take 2 before 1 or 1 before 2, doesn't matter. Anatomy and physiology 2 will be offered in the spring of 2013, so this coming spring, and AMP 1 will be offered in the fall. So we do have that here.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Hey, it's Kylie again.
Anna here. I hope you guys enjoyed our interview with Dr. Lisa Spiegel. That's all we have for you today, so make sure to subscribe to our channel.
See ya!
Bye!